Well, I've done it again. Of course, you don't know what again is because I've never talked about this, but part of what happens with my ADHD is that I get really, really anxious about all the things I need to do. And my biggest problem with task initiation is that I can't remember anything, what I'm supposed to do next, what I remember to do, anything else. And so when it gets bad, I tend to go buy notebooks. And I bought notebooks and notebooks. I've got hundreds of notebooks that I bought, each one expecting to solve the problem. A couple of these are nice. I kind of like these little spiral bound quadrille. They make nice little list books, and I still use them. But the problem is I can't carry them around. I don't know. I have a phone. I have tried several different apps, ones that are voice recognition, and I'm terrible at typing on the phone. I'm terrible at typing on a regular keyboard. My hand-eye coordination just has always sucked. What I've done again is I just had this notion of I just need to remember things. I think part of it is I'm getting older, forgetting things. Maybe not. Maybe I'm forgetting things as much as I always did. I don't know. But I get overwhelmed because I'm not remembering things. And then even in my electronic apps, I've got lists all over the place of things. And so I just had this notion of I always have an empty back pocket. So that will be relevant in a minute. Stick with me. So from Amazon, I ordered this. This is a pack of, I want to say 16? Yeah, 16 little notebooks, 30-page pocket-sized notebooks. I could try to color code them and stuff, but the problem with color coding is then you lose a notebook. And you're like, but where's the blue notebook that I always kept notes about X in? This is only intended to be temporary. I think what we used to call in high school psychology meta memory, where you're just writing it down on a piece of paper so it doesn't take up. I have found that when you write things down, it doesn't take up extra compute space in your brain so that you can think about other things. And hey, I've written that down. So I've got all these different colors notebooks, and the whole idea is that this will fit in my back pocket where I keep my wallet on this side, put this in my back pocket, and if I lose it, I lose it, but then I'll never be without something to write on. Usually something to write with is fairly easy to come by, but this way if I'm out walking the dog, or I'm at a stoplight, or, sitting on the john or something occurs to me, then I can at least write it down. And the idea being once a day, once a week, whatever, I just sit down with all of my notebooks and make sure that I've transferred everything that's in a notebook, either discard it because it was a stupid idea, or put it on a list of things to do, or put a reminder in a calendar, or whatever. I want to make it something that formal. These were so cheap because I got them on Amazon Prime discount. I think they were, I want to say $10 for 18, is that they're intentionally disposable. I used to like these. They're a little harder to come by and a little more cumbersome. You can buy like 3-pack at the Dollar Tree or something, but they're a little thick. I like these. These are all bigger formats, still fit in my pocket. So I don't know, maybe they end up in the box with all my other old notebooks, but this is my attempted ADHD hack of the moment, at least. We'll see how much this helps. Thanks for listening. Hopefully you found ways to keep up with your ADHD. If not, drop me a line, drop me a comment. You've got this problem. Maybe I've solved it. I don't know. I've had it for 50 years, so there's certainly some hacks that I've probably come across that you haven't, or vice versa. Have a great day.